Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up a proxy using the Proxy SwitchyOmega extension in Google Chrome. Let's get started. Open the extension store and install the Proxy SwitchyOmega. Once installed, click on the extensions icon in the upper right corner of the browser. Select Proxy SwitchyOmega and choose Options. In the Options window, navigate to the Proxy tab. You can configure proxies in the Proxy Servers section. Start by selecting the protocol type for your proxy. Enter the IP address and port number of your proxy. If you have a free proxy, you can simply click on Apply Changes. However, if you have a personal proxy, you will need to set a username and password. Click on the lock icon labeled Authentication, enter your credentials and click Save Changes after. In the bypass list field, you can specify resources for which you don't need to use the proxy. Set them accordingly and click on Apply Changes. Now let's create a profile for this proxy. Click on New Profile. You can select various options for using the profile, but for now choose Proxy Profile. Set the profile name at the top and click on Create. That's it! The profile has been created and the proxy is now set. If you will need to set additional proxies and use them for different tasks, simply repeat the same procedure I demonstrated. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.